Hi, my name is Mirako, and I want to talk to you about a tip that comes from this holiday family shoot that we did. The little girl was really kind of frustrated when we got here, and I just want to say to parents, okay, I want to just tell you to, when that happens, don't freak out, because really you only need your child to be present when you're actually taking the photos, and just honestly, let them just be where they're at. Let them be frustrated, let them be cranky. If you can stay calm and chill, then they'll eventually burn that out, and that way you're not asking anything of them until you actually need them for the picture taking. So as much as you can, go with the flow, but the biggest thing is when the kids are just kind of not behaving right away, it's okay. Take a deep breath. They'll probably shape up for you when it finally comes to taking the actual picture.